finally made it to Bali. Straight from the airport, we gonna start off our trip at Ubud. It's about an hour and a half away from DPS International. We rented a car here. I'm gonna do an actual separate video just about that, about that experience, because it's been pretty tough, a little bit more difficult than I anticipated. But we're staying at this beautiful resort. It's called Korurua Dijiwa, Ubud. So this is the outside of it here. You can see, really nice. I'll kind of give like a little panoramic view of the surrounding area. It's like another villa right here across the streets. Pretty nice. And what happened is, if you're not paying attention, you definitely will miss it. We missed it twice trying to find this place. And this is our car that we parked here. We're gonna just leave it here, and if they need to move it, we gave them the car keys so they could do so. Also have quite a few scooters here, which you'll notice if you guys ever come visit, or if you have visited, there's tons of scooters and motorbikes just all over the place. They pretty much just dominate the road, which is very stressful when you're driving, especially if you're not used to that. We live in New York City, so we don't drive much. I consider myself a pretty good driver, but just, you know, be very careful here because it's very lawless. And if you're not too careful, you definitely will find yourself in a head-on collision. So be very mindful and take taxis if driving is not really your thing. But we're gonna do a walk around tour of the property, which is pretty nice. Here's the front entrance, sorry. Pretty good artwork. We have two pools, one right here, and there's also one down at a lower level. We'll check that out. Let's head upstairs to see what we have. I think it's a total of maybe 10 rooms. We have the wooden suite, the one without the private pool. Looks like just a balcony of other rooms here. Yeah, the room that we really wanted with the private plunge pool was taken, so we had to get the one without it. So we have the second best room. Cost us $441 for 3 nights. Let's take a look at the first pool on a higher level. Pretty nice, and you have a waterfall here. Here's another room. Pretty nice as well. It's almost like having your own private pool. And this is the patio for this room here. And a little balcony too. It's pretty cool. And downstairs is the other part of the property. And we'll take a look at that in a few. But just overall, just very beautiful, very well maintained. If you're looking for some place to relax and kind of not be in all the craziness, this is definitely the place to do it. have another room here on this level, 203. And as we head down here, there's like a little water fountain, and over back to the left it's like a little restaurant where they have the breakfast. With our honeymoon package, we have free breakfast each morning. It's from 7 to 11 a.m. So we're gonna check that out tomorrow, see how it is before we head out for our day. Love like all the flowers and plants here. It's so nice. Here you have like a little pond. You can also take a little seat here and just relax and just look at the fountains. And then directly behind me is the place where they serve breakfast and lunch. Also gave us a free welcome drink. Not sure what it was, but it was similar to like a mojito, kinda. Very refreshing because it's super humid and hot, so definitely something that we were definitely needing. We're gonna head down to the lower level, which is where our suite is located. Also another pool and a spa towards the end, where with our package we're able to get one, or for both of us, 1 hour massages. So we'll probably definitely take advantage of that. And I think she said the spa's open from 10 to 6 or 10 till 7, something like that. So then here's the second pool here. And then here towards the back, there's a yoga studio. She did tell me the time, so I don't remember. I'm not really big on yoga, so don't plan on really doing anything, but maybe once we come out in the morning or come back in the afternoon, we may see them actually in session. But pretty large space. And you can see here, here's the sign for the spa. Headed towards the back, so we're going to head back there. We'll bypass a couple of rooms, which one is ours. So this is one room here, one villa, wooden villa. And the second one, this is ours here, I believe. Or maybe not. They all kind of look the same, so it's kind of hard to really tell. And here's another one. Camera's probably not picking this up, but a ton of like little small mosquitoes or something just flying around. There's a kitchen where they teach cooking classes for traditional Balinese food. Not sure really what time they do that, but if we have a chance, we might actually check that out. villa here. Ooh. And then back here is the spa. Pretty cool pond here too to get to this villa. Nice. And then this is the spa area here. So yeah, property's super nice. You know, you really feel like you're in nature. You can hear all the bugs and things chirping, and hopefully nothing's gonna show up in our room in the middle of the night while we're sleeping to surprise us. There is a net to kind of cover the bedroom, the bed I should say, so we definitely are going to take advantage of that, because I'm pretty sure just from what I'm seeing out now that there will be a lot of things flying around in the middle of the night. And when we came in, there was a couple of windows that were wide open, so yeah, definitely saw some things flying around. There was an ant on the bed, so I'm like, yeah, we definitely need to do a quick sweep and make sure we close that net well before we get into bed, just so we don't have any issues or wake up with like any mosquito bites or anything like that. So I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour before we get settled in. So we have the Wooden Vila suite. Originally we had booked this hotel in April, which had a private plunge pool, but when we changed our tickets to May, they didn't have any available, so this one is missing that. And it's the honeymoon suite. You can see here on the bed, they made little decorations here. Pretty nice, rose petals. It says happy honeymoon, even though we've been married now for about 4 years, but that just comes with the package. We also got a complimentary 2 glasses of wine that they just brought to the room as well. So we're gonna definitely drink that. Pretty cool artwork. Let's take a look. That's a pretty cool dresser here. Let's open it up. I feel everything here is like pretty old school, pretty original. Like this is actually like real wood. Very well constructed. Beautiful designs. Even the artwork behind the bed is pretty cool. Hey, Babe, say hello.
Hi. Hello.
Give you some chargers. Some looks like it's a remote control to control the air conditioner. Even though right now I definitely don't feel anything on at the moment. It's pretty warm in here, pretty humid. So here we step into the bathroom, which is pretty large. So you have the toilet here. And the shower. Pretty decent size. And if you take a look, if you open up, you can also see a bathtub outside. Probably won't be using that. There's a lot of bugs kind of just all around the place, so I mean just stick to the shower. But this is the door that lets you out to the bathtub here. So already a bunch of creepy crawlers already inside here, so I think I'll let them have at it. last thing over here, or a couple of things. We have a shelf with a safe, put your belongings, and then finally we have the sink and mirror here. Place is pretty cool. Only thing I don't like is it's pretty dark in here, so you don't get a lot of light. It's pretty dark, but we don't plan to spend too much time in the room anyway. There's a lot of sights to see, so we will be busy and out and about most of the time. Okay, I think we have the AC working now. Alright, yep, so that's it for the room tour. Hope you guys like it. I'll leave a link below of the hotel that we're staying in, so in case you guys want to check it out for yourself. We're staying for 4 days, 3 nights, cost around 441 USD, so not too bad. And the grounds is really nice too. I'm going to also put a link below to that, so you guys can take a look as I do a walk around tour of the space. Alright guys, thank you. See you soon. Bye.